Is this thing on? Hey guys, emeraldthecreativegem here, back with another video, and today we're gonna turn this mess of a hairdo into a luxurious looking,
Oh my god! Oh!
slick back hairstyle that is so easy you can do in 3 steps. Now, this is just a parody video. It's my boyfriend doing my voice, what he thinks I sound like. Now, if you want to go see the actual video, it's my wash day Be Girl Do video. Go check it out, like right now, and then come back. I'm also just going to be providing some commentary, a little humor, you know, just letting her be her and me being me. That's all. So drop a like, subscribe, and sit back and enjoy the video. Ooh, girl, oh. Ooh, this is nice. Next, I'm hop in the shower. You can tell she's excited to be back doing her thing with the videos again. You know, she got to give like 3 different intros. So I have the honor of greeting you guys this time. Check out her other videos, and if you like what you see on this channel, make sure you subscribe, drop a like. You know the deal. And thank you. Oh, what the hell? She looking for lice? What is going on here? Make sure you guys use Head and Shoulders. Oh, what's going on the back of the head? Damn. Yo, I love when she wears this Donna's Recipe. Oh, this shampoo smells so good. Tabitha, we need a sponsorship. Excuse me, ma'am.
It gets harder and harder to say no.
Thank you. We love you. You two do, because I'm about to put some of this goopy stuff in my head. Why is she sniffing it? What's going on? You know what it smells like, babe. You ain't got to sniff it. I'm about to put some of this creamy stuff in my head. The back of the head is atrocious. I love you, babe. Shower time. Let's hop in the shower. You know, my hair is all wet. I didn't even dry. Oh, I'm about to dry it with my t-shirt. Here we go. Okay, here we go. And now I wrapped it up. This is called Bohemian style wrap. All right, and just in time for Black History, she tells this story about how she got this pic from like her mom in the 70s. Like this Joan was passed down from the Black Panthers from Harriet Tubman herself or something. Come on, babe, you messing up the recording. Now, here's the part where I section up my hair. Every video, I have to remind you that I'm not really good at this, guys, but, you know, I'm put this off-center part in my hair. I was sitting here thinking, like, babe, it's time to switch the color up. There was this color that she had in her hair that I really loved. I'll play a clip here. Here we go. This is the hair color I was talking about. So sexy. Yeah. Damn, my girl fine. All right, my bad. I had a moment, y'all. Back to the commentary. And now I got to show you the cream. Look at it. Big influencer vibes. I have to show you the cream real close up. And look, I put it on my finger, and now I'm going to just rub it through my hair. First, I have to play it in my hand. What is going on, babe? Just put it in your hair. You think it's ASMR. This ain't no ASMR. Now she rubbing it through. Ooh, she thinks she in a commercial. You think you wanted them, remember Just For Me back in the 90s? You think you wanted them Just For Me girls.
I want something just for me. Just for me. No light conditioning relaxer cream.
Now I'm just gonna rub it through my hair. Make sure that I don't.
Oh!
Yo, who you looking at like that? Like, yo, babe, you gotta fix your face when you recording these videos. Like, what's going on here? All right, there you go. Now she's smiling, and she's so impressed by this hair. Look. Nothing younger May. Ooh. All right, let me stop. Now, this stuff does make her hair super soft. I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all gotta let me know in the comments how my Emerald the Creative Gem impression is. Obviously, my voice is super deep. I don't sound like her, but I think I have the inflections down. She'd be like, look at my edges. My edges are on fleek. Do people still say that? On fleek? So while she's finishing up this look, I just wanted to talk about our story. So me and Emerald, we actually met around 2012, I would say, at Community College of Philadelphia. Both taking courses there. And I met her brother first at the anime club. And we were hanging out. And we ended up maybe going to a few parties together, inviting each other out. It wasn't until 2020, 2021, during the pandemic, where we really got close. We became almost inseparable. She was like my female best friend. I had a best friend, but you know, she was like my female best friend, and we would talk about everything from dating to, you know, we covered every topic. Back then, I always knew my bestie was cute. You know, we were both kind of doing our own thing, and you know, we were trying to date other people. It really just wasn't working out, and I think deep down we both knew. We both knew we kind of liked each other. We were both in denial though. So it wasn't like one-sided where one person puts the other in the friend zone. It was pretty mutual. All right, so we made it official September 11th. That's a whole nother story in itself, right? Very awkward date. That August, we ended up hanging out so much. We did a trip. It was a group trip to Ocean City, Maryland, and everyone was like, make the besties share a bed. Mind you, it wasn't not that kind of party, right? Her brother and his best friend at the time were also staying in the room with us. So no hanky panky, nothing happened. Platonic friends. I ended up waking her up at like 4 a.m. though. I just had these feelings. I couldn't help myself. I said, hey bestie, you ever thought about just dating each other? And I knew the answer wouldn't make or break our relationship, our friendship. I was fine with whatever answer because we were, like I said, we were both doing our own thing. It was just kind of like logically, and we both knew we were fighting these feelings. Her answer was, I'll talk to you in the morning. The next day, we ended up talking in the morning. I didn't want to talk about it. I tucked my tail. I got a little embarrassed, you know. She just wanted to sleep. That was fine. I believe that was the same night that was the same day we were gonna leave, but there was a big rainstorm in Philly, and we couldn't leave right away. We ended up booking another night at a local hotel. We ended up staying another night, and she texted me that night and said, I want to cuddle with you. We didn't cuddle right away, but that morning it ended up happening. Right? Still nothing happened. Don't get it twisted, y'all. That week, I believe we ended up talking, and because we knew each other for so long, and we kind of skipped the dating phase. Of course we date. We go on dates. We skipped the talking phase, and we made it official right away. And then we ended up having to tell all of our friends. Some of them were like, I knew it. Some of them thought we were already doing things that we shouldn't have been doing. And some were genuinely surprised. But yeah, that's our story. We've been together for 5 years now, and you know, looking forward to bigger future plans. And that's our video for today. I wanted to end it off not with so many jokes, but more so just genuine authenticity and just tell you our story. Make sure you go watch her other videos. Watch the actual tutorial because it's really good. I believe it's very helpful if you have natural hair, not even natural hair. You're just looking for a nice slick back look. Go watch her videos. You're gonna love them. You're gonna love the content. Subscribe if you feel inclined to do so. And drop a like, drop a comment. You want to see more videos like this, or you just want to watch her regular videos? Let us know. I don't mind clowning on Bay for a few minutes. And it's all she thinks it's hilarious. So don't feel bad. All right. Bye, y'all.